Today we're making some smoked queso dip, and to start that off, we're going to be searing off and cooking up some 92% lean ground beef. We're going to add some How to Barbecue Right Malcolm Reed's Grande Gringo seasoning to the meat. Since it's going in a smoked queso, give it some of that flavor. All right, we went ahead and seared off some chorizo to go in with the smoked queso dip as well. And you'll get the rest of the ingredients in just a minute. We'll see you over at the prep station. We're gonna be adding some shredded Mexican blend cheeses, some shredded queso quesadilla cheese, some cream cheese, 2 blocks, 8-ounce blocks, some medium cheddar, some pepper jack, and some Colby jack in with the beef and chorizo. We're also gonna be adding 1 can of Campbell's white cheddar cheese, a can of jalapenos, diced jalapenos, 1 can undrained Rotel, and 1 can of green chilies. We'll get that all mixed together, get it on the smoker for our smoked queso dip. Just like to mix the cheeses as I put them in, just so they spread out a little more. Get that cream cheese moved around. We want to get everything in the pan. We got all the cheeses in. You're not going to mix it up right now. We're going to set it in the smoker, let the heat do its work, and we'll come back and we'll show you when we go to mix it up. As you see, we have other things on the smoker already. Those are going to be for other videos that are upcoming. But we're going to put our smoked queso into the smoker. Now we're giving our smoked queso dip a good stir. Get that, you see the cream cheese melting down. It's taking in good smoke. Get all these ingredients mixed in and just let it ride. Take some flour tortilla chips to go with our smoked queso that we have on the smoker. Just take and cut down the middle all the way through, and then across, and we'll just put them in the pan, have them ready to deep fry here in just a little bit. These do not take long at all. By the time I get through distributing them in, they'll be ready to, I'll press and try to toss them a little bit and then pull them out. The tortilla chips done. We season them while they're hot. They're ready to go with that smoked queso as soon as it comes off the smoker. Checking in on the queso dip. Looks like we're going to need to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream to it. Not a lot, just a little to loosen it up some. It's pretty thick. So we're going to bring it out, add some heavy whipping cream, and then get it back on the smoker. That should do us right there. It's going to loosen it up some. It's not real tight, but we want it to be a little bit looser as a smoked queso dip. The smell is phenomenal, and it looks pretty good too. A little bit more smoke on it, and we'll be dipping chips in this. It's done. Let's get it off and try it. It's on point.